Brilliant overtake by Bamba. How do you do? Oh no, 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 no! Macau strikes again, and the hot.
Nelson aussi, je m'en fais pas pour eux. Voilà, il y a une grosse bagarre. Oh là, oh là là.
Oh attention! Oh le crash terrible! Le crash terrible de Sacha Botman! Le crash terrible! Bouge Sacha.
If you start trapping the drivers in there effectively.
As we see a replay of this after the race. Martin Donnelly, by the way, the race steward for this weekend. He will be sitting down to look as...
Going up the inside of him.
Really nasty. A fan of Fernando Alonso, just watching the race here today, but Alonso walking away from that.
This will be a great shot up above the.
Look at the back of this. They're 4 and 5 wide. They were never going to make it.
Oh yeah, so it all happened in front of him.
Wow. Well, it shows that angle how far the car was still moving in that crash. So there was still some big speed.
There's a black car here that gets clipped on the inside.
And wham. Up it goes. Very difficult to see where it started. But it looked like Grant Thompson was the guy who was facing backwards in the middle.
I think it was the Hertz car that come from his right. He was on the outside pingle, didn't know what was happening on the inside. There is the Hertz car there, just coming across to the left to miss that accident. Well, those two cars that got tagged on the inside, one was spinning. They were all taking evasive action, and Pingle, unfortunately, was just caught there on the outside.
Man. Violence of that snap rolling.
Gets it up very nicely for the exit of Parabolica. He could get the move into turn 1 at the Rettifilio. Oh, big accident! Oh my goodness! We're going to get a red flag here, surely, if not a safety car. That is a big one. Goodness me. We've had a roll. Couldn't quite see who that was. We're going to have to get a replay of that. 2-3 again. Are we going to see the beginning of this accident, or are we just going to join the scene? Yes, big hit from Lopez, and that just shows you how close the marshals were to danger. But they managed to get away. It looks as though they're all right. We'll watch again. Now, maybe we should be able to see the entirety of... Oh, it's a spin from Bauer. That's what triggered it. Bauer spins, clips the 4 and the 66. So that's what caused it. Bauer loses it. Iserman desperately tried to get out of the way, and Lopez had nowhere to go. So...
fresh rubber. Numerous cars, about 16, 17 of them that had already pitted, new cars with some funky them, and fresh tires, fresh rubber. 644 laps complete, 248 laps remaining, and your leader right now starts third. We have a motion fourth, Will Power fifth. Hitting those cars and yet hitting in this first round of stops that we have going on. This marshal
riuscito a scavalcare Brajnik. C'è un bruttissimo contatto
con Venica sicuro.
Fortunatamente alza il braccio il pilota, meno male che
queste macchine sono veramente molto resistenti, perché ha fatto veramente
un'abilità.
Ecco, vediamo,
bene, vediamo.
in frenata. Praticamente è successo che in frenata la macchina di Venica ha scartato a sinistra e ha preso in pieno quella di Pellegrino, purtroppo.
Sì. Non mi sembra.
Sicuramente può essere dovuto soprattutto a dell'umido che c'è ancora forse all'esterno, è probabile, perché veramente ha fatto un brutto scarto la vettura, ma brutto, molto strano.
Brutto
Il 69 Zamelli all'attacco del numero 29
Left. Oh my! Huge accident, a huge off. Ryan Teeter had spun. Piquet is involved. There was another car that's airborne as well, and the race is being stopped straight away. Teeter was wrong. He got it way out of line. He was too quick. Ran off the road. Through the gravel bed he goes. Back onto the circuit. Joel Eriksson gets through, and then way up on the curb, Peter Lee into the back. A complete corkscrew. He crash lands. Pedro Piquet goes underneath. This from another angle. I mean, Piquet, his line suddenly had a punted Teeter in the way.
Yes.
But wait for the impact. This was the first shot we saw. That shot actually illustrates the dust, doesn't it? Because you couldn't see Peter Lee until it was too late.
No.
And by the same token, Peter Lee could not see Teeter until it was too late.